Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As promised in the previous video, I am back with another set of mega projects. This time we will unfold the upcoming mega projects in the city of Pune situated in Maharashtra. The city, which is known for industrial corridors and growth engine power, has over the years become one of the prime centers of MNCs for headquarters. Hence, to provide optimum benefits to the people of the Pune city, the government has a set of plans which they are executing in an attempt to enhance the lives of local citizens. Also, we will know the current status and the costs of the mega projects that are being constructed in the city of Pune. But before we proceed, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon positively to remain updated about various mega projects. Pune is the 7th most populous city in India and the 2nd largest city in the state of Maharashtra, with an estimated population of 7.4 million as of 2020. It has been ranked as the most livable city in India several times. Pune is widely regarded as the 2nd major IT hub of India and the top automobile and manufacturing hub of India. It is known as the Oxford of the East, with the presence of a wide range of education institutions. India's first indigenously run girls' school was started in Pune by Savitribai Phule. The city has emerged as a major educational hub in recent decades, with nearly half of the total number of international students in the country studying in Pune. It was reported that nearly 5 lakh students from across India and abroad study in Pune at 9 universities and more than 100 education institutes. Automotive companies such as Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra, Skoda Cars, Mercedes-Benz, Force Motors, Kinetic Motors, General Motors, Land Rover, Jaguar, Renault, Volkswagen and Fiat have set up greenfield facilities in Chakan near Pune. The Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park in Hinjawadi is a 60,000 crore project by the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. The IT park encompasses an area of about 2,800 acres and is home to over 800 IT companies of all sizes. Besides, Hinjawadi IT companies are also located at Magarpatta, Kharadi and several other parts of the city. As of 2017, the IT sector employs more than 3 lakh people. Pune has also emerged as a new hub for tech startups in India. NASSCOM, an association with MIDC, has started a co-working space for city-based startups under its 10,000 Startups initiative at Kharadi MIDC. Having understood various facets about the Pune city, let us tap into the top 5 biggest mega projects making their way in the city of Pune. Interestingly, we'll move in the descending order to add more energy to the video. Fifth up is the most ambitious Pune Ring Road. The Pune Ring Road was conceptualized in 2007 to boost connectivity in the city and its suburban areas. However, lack of funding had put the project on the back burner. In a recent development, the Maharashtra government has given its approval for 26,831 crores for the 173 km long ring road project, including construction and land acquisition cost. The Maharashtra government has given an approval for 26,831 crores for the ring road in Pune. The state PWD had issued a resolution for the approval of all the 4 packages involved in the long-awaited construction of the outer ring road. The first package of the mega project will comprise of construction of a 29.8 km stretch from Solu to Soratwadi on the Pune-Solapur road. This package will cost Rs 3,523 crores. The second package will comprise of construction of a 36.7 km road from Soratwadi to Walve. The cost of the second project will be around 4,495 crores. The third part of the Pune Ring Road will consist of the construction of 38.34 km from Urse to Solu on Alan Markal Road. The fourth package will comprise of construction of 68.8 km of road. The construction of Pune Ring Road will result in a reduction in the overall traffic and will facilitate commute within the city. Apart from this, the ring road will connect 6 major highways passing through the city. Around 24% of land has already been acquired for the first phase of the ring road, for which the total cost is Rs 518 crores. Rs 300 crores has already been allotted by PMRDA. The total and required for the project, which will have 6 bridges, 8 flyovers, 3 road over bridges and a 3.75 km tunnel road, is approximately 1430 hectares. Taking the 4th position is the Mega Pune Metro project. Pune Metro is an urban mass rapid transit system with 3 lines under construction in the city of Pune, Maharashtra by Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation Limited and Metropolitan Region Development Authority. The 31.254 km Pune Metro Phase 1 project's DPR or Detailed Project Report with 2 metro lines and 29 stations was prepared and submitted by the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation in July 2009, revised in January 2013 and August 2014 and finally once again in November 2015 to reflect current prices. Although the state government approved the project in 2012, it had run into red tape, politics and opposition from local NGOs and activists over its mostly elevated nature. The project received a final approval from the Union Government's Cabinet on December 7, 2016. While operational status is nil, the under construction work is 54.584 km, whereas approved is 4.41 km and proposed is 26.464 km. The 3rd position is occupied by Pune Airport Expansion Project. The Pune Airport Expansion Project includes the construction of a new terminal building at a cost of Rs 400 crore, a multi-level car parking at a cost of Rs 120 crore and a new cargo complex at a cost of Rs 300 crore. The new terminal building is being constructed on a 40,000 square meter plot towards the eastern side of the existing terminal building. Once the new terminal building comes up, the airport will cover a total area of 64,300 square meters. The new terminal building will have 5 new aero bridges. Once it becomes operational, the airport will have a total of 10 aero bridges. Work on the new integrated terminal building worth Rs 358.89 crore has been awarded to a company named ITD Cementation India Limited, whereas the company Aegis based in France has been appointed as consultant for the new terminal building work. The project will be completed by end of next year. Sitting in the 2nd position is the Pune Metro Neo project. Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation will start work on the detailed project report for Metro Neo project in Pune. The Metro Neo mass rapid transit system in the country was mooted by Maha Metro as an alternative to the Metro Rail. The Metro Neo can be constructed at 1/3 of the standard gauge metro line. The Metro Neo does not need rails or rolling stock and saves cost by using rubber tires based electric bus coaches that run on a slab surface on an elevated corridor. Maha Metro is already working on a 32 km Nashik Metro Neo project with in principle not from the Union government. It is an eco-friendly, energy-efficient, cost-effective and capable of providing an efficient mass public transport system. The project is under the DPR stage and is expected to be grounded in a brisk manner. Moving to the 1st position is the Pune Nashik Semi-High-Speed Railways. Pune Nashik Semi-High-Speed Rail Corridor project is a 234.60 km proposed semi-high-speed double rail line connecting Pune and Nashik in Maharashtra to 24 stations at an estimated cost of Rs 16,039 crore. Passenger trains on this greenfield line with a deadline of 2027 will operate with a top speed of 200 km per hour and cover the distance between Pune and Nashik in 2 hours while passing through the districts of Pune, Ahmednagar and Nashik. Freight trains on the line will operate with a top speed of 100 km per hour and open a new avenue for industrial development by connecting important MIDC areas such as Chakan, Sinnar, Satpur and special economic zones in Khed, Narayangaon and Manchar. The project will be executed by Maharashtra Rail Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, also known as MahaRail, a joint venture between Government of Maharashtra and Ministry of Railways of the Government of India, set up to provide a boost to rail infrastructure projects in the state of Maharashtra on the principle of cooperative federalism. MRIDC has plans to develop private freight terminals, dry ports, multimodal and commercial hubs, warehouses and sidings at locations suggested by local industries. In February 2020, the line's revised DPR or Detailed Project Report was approved by the Indian Railways Central Railways. Its DPR is now awaiting the Maharashtra State Government's approval. In June 2021, land acquisition process started for acquiring approximately 1,458.69 hectares. The project has been delayed due to various bureaucratic hurdles. With this, we have come to the end of this video. It goes without saying that Pune is and will continue to boost the economic growth of the nation in future times as well. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to remain updated about various mega projects coming up in different parts of the nation. Also, if you want to watch more of these kind of videos, please click on the I button given above. Coming up next is the mega projects in the capital city of West Bengal, that is Kolkata. Stay tuned to remain updated. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Jai Hind.